Hello friends, welcome to the Knowledge Channel. In this video, we want to see the dangerous asteroids on the Earth. In the first row, the Bennu asteroid with a diameter of about 492 meters, which scientists estimate will hit the Earth in 2184. In the next row, the Florence asteroid with a size of 4.4 kilometers orbits the Sun every 2 years and 4 months, so the possibility of hitting the Earth is not far from expected. The next asteroid, Totatus, is known as a near-Earth object and will approach Earth in 2069. The fourth asteroid, Mitra, is among the most dangerous asteroids. The fifth asteroid, the Zephyr asteroid with a diameter of 2 kilometers, will collide with the Earth in 2032-2043. The next asteroid, Kono, with a size of 4.5 kilometers, was discovered in 1959 and is in the category of dangerous asteroids. Asteroid Midas was discovered in 1973 and is considered as a near-Earth object. And finally, the Geographus asteroid is a dangerous asteroid, but it will not pose a threat to Earth until 2586.